Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again to do another makeup video, which is what I haven't been doing for quite a while, so. Anyway, today I'm going to be doing a full face of e.l.f. makeup. Now, I've seen quite a few people do this lately. I did do it a couple of years ago, but I'm going to leave some of my favorites linked down below. Now, I was just cruising on e.l.f.'s website a couple of weeks ago and I found these motherfuckers and I thought they looked great and they were new on the website because I haven't seen them before. The only thing that I don't have that's new is the camouflage concealer because that's like an American release only, I'm pretty sure. It'll probably take like a couple of years to come to Australia, so just bear with me on that. Another thing you have to bear with me on is it is so fucking hot. Honestly, I'm waiting for someone to make a compilation. Michael Finch complaining about the weather for 10 minutes straight. Honestly, I just can't. It's too much. It is too much. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get straight into this video. I'm going to be doing my eyes first because why the fuck not? Let's go. Now for my eyes today, you guys, I'm not going to be using a concealer. I'm just going to be using the P. Louise makeup base to get the best pigmentation out of the shadows. Just because some concealers are fucking shit when it comes to eyeshadow, so I trust this like no tomorrow. Fuck. Getting there. Alright, so I'm just going to apply this to my eyes and I'll be back. Okay, now that my eyes are all ready to go and prepped, I'm going to be taking this palette. This is the 18 Hit Wonders. For those asking, I bought these off their website, which you can buy if you're in Australia too, because I'm pretty sure it ships from Australia. And I think I'm just going to go straight in for it and just go straight for this fucking deep blue here and just, you know, fuck the warm browns off. There's a lot of kickback already. Oh my god. But that doesn't mean shit, Bindi. Alright, I'm just going to take that. Okay. This could be really fun. Oh, whoa. Okay, e.l.f. Holy fuck my dog. That is insane. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna sit here and blend this for a bit and try and work out what I'm doing. But holy fuck. Wow! And I'm gonna turn the fan on because I can't breathe. Alright guys, I'm just gonna take a little bit of the yellow, blend it into like the outer blue. I don't know how this is gonna go, but I want to have like a nice transition of like the blue and the yellow because this is so different and something that I don't normally do. That is pretty pigmented as well from what I can see. Damn. Alright guys, so I'm kind of dipping in between both palettes. I'm taking this one as well. This is called the Opposites Attract. I'll leave all the products I use down below. But I'm just going to take a bit of this purple here and I'm going to see if I can deepen up this blue. Oh my god, this is working so well. What the fuck? I'm shocked that these are so good. Like, this is way better than Huda Beauty. Oh my god. By the way, you guys, majority of the blending in this video is just gonna be me, like, music sped up because it's really fucking hot and I can't breathe. Like, it's so hot today and my house is like black brick and it heats up and aircon does fuck all, so please bear with me on that, but whoa. Okay guys, I'm so impressed with this eyeshadow palette so far. What I'm going to do is I'm thinking, I don't care how it looks. I just want to get the most out of the two palettes so you guys get a really good idea of like how good they are. Or shit. Some shades could be shit. We're not there yet. But I've managed to do this look. It's a little bit different. It's like a cut crease, but it's like all the way across. I don't have any e.l.f. mascara or lashes, so I just chucked them on. That's why I didn't include it. But I'm thinking I'm going to do like a bronzy, sort of like greeny. I don't know. There's this beautiful iridescent green in this palette here. Oh my god. Seriously. I'm so shocked. Like, so shocked. But anyway, I'm going to keep going. Do I need to say anything else? Like, what the actual fuck is going on? This is so incredibly good. I really want to play with like other colors under my eyes too, but we'll see how it goes. All right, let's get started on my face. All right, guys, so moving into primer, I'm going to be taking this one here. This is the Blemish Control Face Primer, and it says cleanse the skin thoroughly before applying medication. Okay. Active ingredient, salicylic, look, I'm not even going to try it. Just says the word acid. Salicylic acid. I'm just going to pop this on. Oh, that feels nice. Blemish control. Okay, Bindi. That feels so good going on. Okay, yum. I'm just going to let that settle into the skin first before we move on to foundation. As per usual, Bindi. Okay, next thing we're going to be taking the foundation. This is just the e.l.f. foundation. It literally doesn't say anything else of what it's called. It just says oil-free SPF 15 sunscreen. So e.l.f. foundation. This is in the shade Buff. And I also ended up purchasing an e.l.f. sponge, and I've just gone and wet it, surprisingly enough. So I'm just going to use this with this instead of a beauty blender and see how this goes. I think I have tested this before a while ago, but we're gonna be giving it another go. Kind of smells like a swimming pool. That's right. Coverage is probably light to, yeah, I'd say light to medium. This isn't a full coverage, but I feel like you could definitely build it up if you wanted to. The sponge is so big. It looks really natural on the skin. Like, that looks really natural to me. I'm gonna take a bit more and see if I can build it up. Just on the areas where I feel like I need it. That builds up nice. I can deal with this. Alright, I'm just gonna conceal my brows and do my forehead, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, foundation is now on, and my overall thoughts so far, it's not matte, it's got like a bit of glow to it. I don't know if you can you see that sheen? I don't know whether that's the primer or the foundation, but it's got like a light to medium coverage, and I really like it. I like the way it settles into the skin. But we're gonna get the full verdict at the end when all the powder's on and everything's on top of it. Anyway, moving on to concealer, I'm gonna be taking the e.l.f. concealer. Now this is in the shade Fair. Now I don't have that new one that everyone's yakking on about, unfortunately. As I said at the start of the video, it's gonna take a long time to come to Australia and it wasn't on their website, thank you. So I'm just gonna go in with this. I think I'm just gonna highlight my nose a little bit first and my forehead. It's going in with the same sponge, and let's blend it out. Alright, so again with the concealer, I would say that it's very light to medium coverage. It's definitely not a full coverage concealer, but I don't mind the finish of it. Like, I don't mind it at all. But me being me, I'm just going to put some more on and see if it just gives me that little bit more, like, coverage, brightness, whatever the fuck I'm talking about, Bindi. Okay, so to bake this into place, I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Make Me Matte Translucent Powder. I'm a little bit scared, but I'm going to tip some into the lid. It looks so incredibly fine. Wow, like corn flour. Literally corn flour. Wow. I'm going to make sure this is all blended out under my eyes before we go into bake. I'm just going to take a bit of that on here. Wow, that literally swallowed it up. Uh-oh, I don't know what to think about this. Oh my god, this is so finely milled. I'm just gonna tap it over my face too. I'm just gonna let that settle. Let's just let that settle for a bit. Okay, so I've just dusted off that powder, and no shit, it looks like it's taken off some of my concealer under this eye here and a little bit over here. Like, it just looks red. So in other words, that looks like it's taken off. So definitely not a fan of that powder, but I'm just going to try and fix it. I'm just going to take some of the e.l.f. finishing powder I've got here, and this is in the shade Light Medium. I'm just going to try and tap it over. Wow, that was English. Tap it over. I'm just going to tap it over all my foundation to get this all set. and prepped, ready to contour, bronze, blush, highlight, and all the rest. But before we do that, I'm just gonna quickly finish off my under eyes, so come back in, bitches. So that purple matte shade underneath my eye just went on horribly. It's like patchy, it's got pigment there, but it's just patchy as fuck. So I'm not going to use that, and I'm going to dip into this shimmery purple from this other shade. I never really put shimmers under my eyes, but I want purple under here. So I'm going to see if I can make it work. Alright, so that shimmery purple underneath my eye actually worked out perfectly, and it blended out really nicely. I just got a little bit of fallout. I think I learnt the other day that when you brush off fallout, always brush it upwards, not downwards, because it like doesn't leave as much of a stain if it does leave one. And then I just took a little bit of the black and just popped it right up against my lash line. And I'm pretty happy with how that looks. Now, let's do this eye. Alright, so that did not work out for me much at all. The orange color was pretty much shit, the warm brown was shit, and yeah, I just had to put black right up against my lash line to kind of make it look presentable. But yeah, those warm shades and that orange, Alright guys, moving on to the rest of the face. Wow, that's really dirty. I'm going to be taking this palette here from e.l.f. Also, this is the Total Face palette. It's called, there's a contour, a blush, and I think there's a highlighter in there, but I'm not going to be using all of these. I'm just going to go in with this contour shade. And I'm going to slightly contour my face. I do have a bronzer I'm going to be trying out, so that's why I'm just going to go in and contour first. And then we're going to go in with the bronzer. And so far, this is blending out nicely. And it is giving me a nice contour. We love that. So as you can see, that contoured me up extremely well, blended perfectly, looks seamless. You can't tell where it starts and ends, besides here, because I went in a little bit harsh because I wanted it to be. Alright guys, moving on to blush. I've got this one here. This is the Always Cheeky blush. It looks really sheer on camera, and it actually does in person too. So hopefully we can build this motherfucking shit up so we get some pigment. Shut up! I'm just going to be taking a little bit on a stippling brush, and I'm going to pop it up. I don't really put blush. Oh, that is too sheer for me. That's like a white powder. That is too much. That literally will not show up in my skin. Alright, instead of that, I'm going to try and go in with some of this from the face palette that you guys saw before. Nah. There is not a fucking chance in hell that this shit is going to show up on me this year. Nah. Alright. We're skipping blush, motherfuckers, because it ain't happening up in here. Oh, I forgot to bronze. I'm going to be taking this bronzer. This is the Forever Sun-Kissed bronzer. This looks quite sheer too. I'm a little bit concerned now, Ben. Should I be or should I not? Please answer me. I'm actually insane. Wow. I'm just going to take a little bit of this. This hair is really getting up my goat. I'm just going to take a little bit of this bronzer just on a stippling brush. Oh my god, it's good. And it's very matte too. It's got no sheen to it, which is what every bronzer needs. If there's a sheen in your bronzer, please discontinue it because I've had it. Alright, you guys, now for the fun part, highlighting. I've got two different shades here. I've got Sunset Glow and I've got Starlight Glow. So they're pretty much almost the same. This one's a little bit more gold and this is a little bit more peach. I think I'm going to go in with the more peachy sort of one, just for today. Ben, let's see what it looks like on the inner corners of my eyes, because I really need something up in here. Ooh. Okay. Might just do a little bit under there. Okay, so going in with this highlighter, I've got no spray on or anything. Maybe I should. that's extremely sheer. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to spritz my face first using this Dewy setting mist. This is from their new collection or whatever the fuck it is. The spritzer on this is so intense. You're fucking joking me. It is so harsh, look. It's like fucking right in your chops. Let's do it all the way from back here. Fuck. Oh my god, I just got it all over my compacts. Fantastic. Love my life, I'm done! Oh my god, that was a lot. The spritzer on that is like so dramatic. Okay, now that we have something on my skin, let's try going in with the highlighter again. Oh, that's way better, but like way patchy. Because it doesn't disperse, look how fucking patchy that is. It doesn't disperse the product well enough onto the skin because it's so intense. And going with a little more highlighter and trying to fill in the gaps of where it's kind of gone patchy, you vibe? And kind of just blend around the edge of it. Alright guys, so this highlighter ended up working out. It looks a little bit texturized to me, but like it is very fucking blinding, I'm not gonna lie. Last but not least, I've already spritzed my face and I'm fucking never using this again purely because of this spritzer. It is too intense and it feels like you're getting shot in the face with semen after a blowjob gone wrong. Right, so for lips, I'm just gonna be using the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Blushing Rose. Oh, so pretty. This is like Stone Dose of Colors from back in the day. Couldn't do a colourful lip with this look because it's fucking everywhere. I mean, what? I can't even talk. I went to the gym this morning. I've only eaten like one thing and I need to eat. It's almost 6 o'clock. Okay, you guys. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun doing this with these different eyeshadows. Overall thoughts, foundation, pretty good coverage. Concealer, shit. Highlighter, annoying. Lipstick, amazing. Primer, don't know. Fucking dewy mist, never again. The eyeshadows are fucking amazing. Some of them were good and some of them were shit, as you saw in the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a massive thumbs up. I love you guys and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye! Fucking see ya! Ew!